Let's quickly look at changing direction and what cardinal law means. You see, we have our underhand and overhand pattern, but let's say you're doing your underhand, but you want to go into overhand. How do I do that without stopping the rope? And this is where cardinal law comes in place. You see, cardinal law basically teaches us that when we're facing one direction, north, we perform an underhand. And for us to get to an overhand, we need to now turn and face the different direction, okay, which is our south. So I'll show you how that looks. So right now, I'm performing my underhand pattern and I'm suggesting that this is my north. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn towards the camera and perform what's called a propeller, which is the following move. Right now, my rope is rotating about clockwise. I turn to the opposite direction, I turn my body, and now I'm doing an overhand pattern. Okay, notice how my feet are just in this staggered stance. I'm not doing much, I'm just turning my body, I'm turning my head, and the rope continues to flow, and I perform different patterns. So now I can even go underhand matador, I can go back to my dragon roll, I can go matador, overhand matador. So essentially the orientation of the rope is just remaining the same, but all I'm doing is I'm changing the way in which I face. Most importantly, when it comes to this, I believe it's very important to lead with your gaze, lead with your eyes. Let your eyes lead. Where do you want to go? Because ultimately, when you're in this propeller, if I look to my left, I could go into an underhand. If I look to my right, I can go into an overhand. So your eyes will determine the direction. It should be the leader, should I say, okay? That's how you change direction in rope flow.